Follow me as I uncover the story of a young man that was sacked from being mechanical engineering that later became the voice of DeFi. In this particular video, I'm going to tell you a little story about this man that was sacked from this company and when he started working with this company and when he was sacked and what he actually built in the blockchain. Who is this person? His name is Hayden Adams. Hayden Adams was born in New York around 1992. Now, Hayden Adams started going to school and he started learning. Now, Adam now studied at the University of Stony University. Now, this man now graduated from this university and he started working. His life now started. Now, he now got a job into a company called Spaceman. Now, he started working in this company and what they do there is about mechanical engineering. Now, that 2016, when he got this job, now he started working. Around that 2016, now moving to 2017, this man was sacked due to some issue. People were like, why was he sacked? But there's no concrete reason. Now, this man was at home, started working. Now, there is a friend of his called Flora School. Now, this man actually know a little bit about Ethereum. Now, this guy now sent Adams about Ethereum that, okay, can you work on Ethereum? What can you do? Now, due to curiosity and no job, now Adam now started checking about what Ethereum is. Now, this man now started coding on his own and started learning about Ethereum programming language. Fast forward to 2018, this man has been learning a lot about this thing and he actually built a little thing. Now, before he actually built this thing, this man called his friend, sent him a blog of Vitalik, in which Vitalik actually requests for someone that can build a automated market maker. Now, this friend sent it to Adams. Now, Adam was now curious, like, okay, can I do something like this? Now, this guy now started working with this project. He started working with this goal. Now, moving to 2018, now this man now come up that he built a product called Uniswap. On this product, you can bridge, you can swap without intermediary. There is no intermediary to bridge to swap. Now, you can just swap on your own midnight at any time. You can swap. But things are not rosy for Adams until when Vitalik actually got to notice what this guy is building. When Vitalik actually noticed this, the Vitalik now found this guy 65 million US dollar. That was when the bumps comes in. Now, until 2020, this guy now launched the token of Uniswap. That was when everything actually gets skyrocketed. People are now shouting about Uniswap. That was the first time some people actually hear about Uniswap. Some people even got a lot of airdrop on Uniswap. Some people can even testify in the comment section below if you got the airdrop of Uniswap around 2020. Those are the OG. Now, let's continue. People got this airdrop. People got a lot. People started talking about Uniswap around that 2020. Now, moving forward, the volume of Uniswap now starts rising and people really love what Uniswap actually built. Uniswap was the first no intermediary platform that actually raised this amount of money and actually go this far. Now, Uniswap is one of the best blockchain and this is the man behind Uniswap. If you ever enjoyed this video and if you ever learned something from this particular video, I would like you to like, comment, share and subscribe. I am Nunat and this is Nunat.coinage. Here we talk about dev story. Thank you.